Welcome to the factory of programming. Prepare your mind for exclusive tech experience. Listening to Vivo Bon right now.
Hello. Today we will see how to use a new feature of Java 21, which is the unnamed classes. So we'll do it in three parts. First, we will check where to download the Java 21 JDK. Then we will check how to install it on your workstation on Windows. And then we will see how to define what is exactly this unnamed classes feature and how to use it in the code. So let's begin by the first step. So where to download the OpenJDK 21. So I will zoom in to show you the URL. So here it is the URL jdkjava.net/21. So this is this one where you can download the JDK 21. And then you go on the build part, and for Windows, you select the zip file. So you download it, you click on it. This will download the JDK, and then we will install it. So second step, we install the JDK 21. So on this website, there is an article explaining how to install it. So the URL of this is from the serverside.com website with the URL finishing by how to install Java 21. So there is a several part. There is a video showing it completely. I will not show how to install it because I have already installed it, and here it is well explained. So I will just browse the different steps. So first you download it, like I showed you before. Then you configure your Java Home. If you're a Java developer, you know how to do this. So you put Java Home in system variables, and you put the URL where you extract the zip files. And then you add in the path environment variable, the new path of your JDK with the \bin at the end. So in the Java Home, it was only JDK-21, but in the path you have to indicate after JDK-21 the \bin. Okay. So now you can verify the install. I will launch Windows command prompt. Okay, I zoom in. And if I do Java dash version, I should see Java 21 JDK. Okay, that's it. Open JDK version 21 dash EA for early access. So I can use the last features of Java 21. I zoom back, I close the command prompt. So once you install it, yes, once tip, if you have problem, if you don't see this on your command Windows when you do the Java dash version, maybe you should uninstall the previous version of the JDK. I had to uninstall the JDK 19 to be able to use the JDK 21. Okay, so now we will pass to the third step, and this is the definition of this feature. So it is from the proposal 445, unnamed classes and instance main methods. And the goal of this, as a summary, is to evolve the Java language so that students can write their first program without needing to understand language features designed for large programs. So it is to ease the onboarding of newbies in the Java technology. And before you add such uh, code for writing hello world, so you have one, two, three, and we'll say four line with braces, and now you have only three line. And if we could only the working code, we could say only two line. Okay, so we'll do that in IntelliJ, the fourth step. So I open IntelliJ, I put it just here. I will open a new project to show it the thing completely. Open. Uh, unnamed class 2. I'm already on it. I will create a new class. I will first configure the project structure. So to benefit for the last Java 21 version, you have to go to the project structure. I will show them in. So you go in file. I have to close this one. You go on file, project structure, and then you select the different information. So I need Java 21, and here in language level, you have to enable the preview feature because this one is a preview feature, and so I put experimental features in this list box. Okay, so I zoom back, and I set it to apply, and then OK. And now I can write my first Java unnamed class. So I will say unnamed class. Okay, so I could um, remove this and put just void main and system.out.print. For the moment, IntelliJ doesn't support this new feature in the IntelliJ editor. So hello me, and to use this Alt F12, I open the terminal of IntelliJ. I go back on my website of the proposal to check how to write the different compilation and execution statement. So I will copy that. Java C -- release 21 -- enable preview and the name of the class. Hop. Because IntelliJ doesn't, as I said, support for now this feature. And here I will put a name class .java. So this is the compilation statement. Okay. So I put enter. And this is the successful result with a little note, but I don't care of the note. I zoom back, and now I will execute it. So I go back to my website, of the website of the OpenJDK website, and I copy the statement to run my new unnamed classes. I passed. I put the name of my compiled class. I zoom in, and if I do enter, I should see hello Vinny. Okay, so that's right. We just successfully use an unnamed class. Right, so have a good day and see you in next video. Bye.